He's quad here that apparently just burned up. Jeepers. Alright, today we're heading up the Liumchen, exploring some new routes I've not been on before. Momentum, keep it going. Whee! That was almost a little bit sketchy going that slow up a hill. That's how you lose momentum and all over. I've only had this bike off-road a few times, but it's so fun. It's nice, we've had some rain in the last couple days. It's not so dusty. Appreciate that a lot. It does make for some mud and puddles, which is always fun. Pretty light front end. Love it. Almost wishing I had some clear lenses on my glasses. It's very shady back here. It's a little bit tricky to see in sunglasses. Ooh, that's a little slimy. Whoa! Yeah, there's some serious climbs and drops here, that's for sure. Almost vertical, which I guess if there's enough runway at the bottom you could go down it, but you have to have some serious momentum to go up on a big bike, probably a little one too. I don't think anybody really knows where we're going, so just a bit of exploring. Hopefully we can find our way back out. But if we don't, and someone comes across us all dead with this video, send my love to my family. That's a pretty nice view. Wow. Whew. Oh, nice little spot up here, for sure. Definitely feeling the need for some new tires. These stock ones, you know, I've got almost 7,000 kilometers on them. Don't look at the mileage on my meter, because I had the meter replaced on a warranty issue. I don't know, I'm thinking, I've always ridden the D606s like Max has in front of me here. And they're fantastic, but do a lot of commuting to work and stuff, and you know, I don't know, just kind of debating how knobby I want to go. Thinking maybe something similar to the Tusk 2-track, maybe the Motaz Tractionator, something like that. Give me your thoughts. Got any recommendations just for doing this kind of riding, but also a bit more intense single track stuff? So if you have recommendations, go ahead and drop them in the comments. Would love to hear them. You know, we all love talking about tires and oil and all that kind of stuff, right? It's a quad here that apparently just burned up. Jeepers. Maybe they figured it's safe enough to leave. Looks like it's not going to ignite anything else, but oh man. You just never know what you're going to come across out here on these rides. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Also just a reminder to be fire aware, because I've heard of bikes tipping over, gas leaking out, igniting fires. It'd be an unfortunate way to start a forest fire. I guess every way is an unfortunate way, but that's a really unfortunate one. So none of us know where we're going or what's up here, so just gonna do a little exploring, find out. No idea. Is that okay? Okay. All right, well, nice little camping spot. That's the kind of stuff that's fun. I like those little 2-track roads. See if we can find some more of those, maybe. I don't know where this goes. We'll just try it out.
Check it out.
Mainly just don't want to go down a trail that has a big descent on it and can't get back up. That's the real problem. Or crashing, you know, that can hurt too, but when exploring, gotta be able to get back. How's that? What's that? That looks like a smaller road. Whoa! It's getting a little overgrown. We'll see how far it goes. We might have to just turn around. End of the road.
You go first.
Whee! Need my high beams on back here so I can see. It is daylight, but you wouldn't know it almost, especially with sunglasses on. Would say not too many people come back this way, at least not recently. Oof. Hello. Wonder if this will take us to a hard road. No idea. Maybe a dead end. Getting a little more interesting though. Hey, buddy. Big old turkey buzzard. Could do another 750 meters up, but we're gonna turn it around here. Well, I guess I should turn it on. Alright, let's see if I can do this without dropping it. Alrighty. Alrighty. There we go. And back down we go. Branches, headhunters. It's a pretty descent. Big rock slide. Beautiful moss on the rocks. Some good riding back in here in the Tamihi area. There's lots of trails, lots of area to ride. It's pretty awesome. Check it out. Alright folks, well that's it for this video. Thanks so much for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you feel like it. And come along for another ride in the future. Peace out.